In this video, I'll walk through the complete quote and cut customer journey, from uploading a DXF file to adding the finished quotation to the WooCommerce cart. The quotation process starts directly on your website. Customers can upload their cutting files, configure the job, and receive a price without waiting for a manual response. To begin, the customer selects a DXF file from their computer and uploads it to the quote form. Quote and cut analyzes the file geometry and prepares the component for pricing. The customer can review the parts before continuing. Next, the customer selects the required material. Materials can be organized into clear groups, making it easy to find the correct grade. Each available thickness has its own sheet cost, cutting gas and machine data, allowing the quotation to use the correct production values. The required quantity can then be entered for the component. Quote and cut uses this quantity when nesting the parts and calculating material usage. The initial price combines the configured material cost with cutting time, pierce time, gas usage, handling charges, and pricing rules. When folding is available, the customer can add it directly to the component without requesting a separate manual estimate. Additional instructions or supporting drawings can be provided so the workshop receives the information needed to process the job. Powder coating can also be added from the same quotation screen, turning cutting and finishing into one complete online order. The customer chooses from the colors and finishes made available by the supplier. Each option can carry its own configured pricing. The quotation updates to include the selected secondary processes, so the customer can see the complete job price before continuing. The customer can also choose the production speed that best matches their deadline and budget. Standard production provides the normal turnaround at the base quotation price. Selecting Express applies the configured urgent production charge and displays the faster estimated lead time immediately. This makes the cost of faster production clear, while allowing the customer to make the decision without contacting the sales team. Before ordering, the customer can review the complete specification, including the selected material, thickness, quantity, processes, and production option. Once everything is correct, the completed quotation can be added directly to the WooCommerce cart. The cart carries the configured job forward with its calculated price and selected production details. This gives the customer a final opportunity to confirm the job before proceeding through the normal WooCommerce checkout. From here, the customer completes the usual checkout process using the payment, delivery, and account options configured for the website. Quote and cut turns a technical DXF inquiry into a structured, priced order without spreadsheets, repeated emails, or manual data entry. Customers get a faster buying experience, while the workshop receives clearer job information and consistent pricing from the very first upload.